Since we are meeting for the first time, so just I want to know little bit introduction from your side.
Yeah, definitely, ma'am. Thank you very much for giving me opportunity to introduce myself here. Let me introduce myself. This is the Satyanarayan connecting to you from Agra city of Uttar Pradesh. And when it comes to my occupation, I am a student of final year.
In Uttar Pradesh, which city?
I am from Agra city of Uttar Pradesh.
Agra. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
When it comes to about my occupation, I am a student of final year pursuing BA Bachelor of Art from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University, Agra. Apart from that, I used to work in English medium school as a sports coach since last 4 or 5 months ago. But before 20 days, I left that job due to my examination already has started. So already I have done it two papers. There's the three more. So I'm preparing for that right now. Yeah, that's all about me.
I'm Tanya Singh and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur city. I'm a homemaker. That's all about me.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is like your voice is very low. So can you repeat?
Actually, I think there are some noise from your side.
Mm-hmm. Okay, now it's good. So can you repeat once again?
Yeah. I'm Tanya and I'm connecting with you Jaipur city from Jaipur city.
Okay, Jaipur. Yeah, in Rajasthan.
Yes. And I
Okay,
am a
that's good.
homemaker. That is all about me.
Okay.
Okay, you are living in Agra. I think you are suffering from cough and cold.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm saying that you are suffering from cough and cold and
Exactly
sore
right, ma'am. It's a has been. Yeah, it's a has been 1 week. Yesterday I went to took a medicine, but I got relief, not well. So that is the reason.
Yeah, I was also suffering from fever,
Hmm.
but right now today I'm little bit fine. That's why I'm taking conversation
Okay. Okay. So, ma'am, I
because
just you.
viral is spreading.
Mm-hmm.
Viral fever is spreading.
Yes, ma'am.
That's
Exactly right. Yeah.
yes.
It's going very like it's going like trending. Everybody suffering with the problems little bit.
Because right now weather is changing. Before someday it was winter, but right now I think summer is coming. That is the
Yeah.
reason.
It is. It is. It is. It is right. So, ma'am, as you said me like you are belong to Rajasthan, a district of Jodhpur or Jaipur. Jaipur, isn't it? Okay, so you are a homemaker. Okay, so may I know, ma'am, like may I know something about your education, qualification, little bit.
I'm postgraduate and basically I belong from Uttar Pradesh.
So about your English journey, like may I know like something when you started to, when you started to learn English language, and what is the reason? Because of everybody like wants to learn English language, but they are not getting too much atmosphere. So that is the only problem they get. Like they give up. They stopped. You know, they
Their
stopped to
journey.
doing. Hmm.
Right now English is a global language and when you go to in the school, in big offices, I think there is a English environment. And if you are not able to speak in English, sometimes you feel embarrassed. And English, you can say, not just a language, it is a skill also. If you learn
Mhm.
this language, I think it has so many benefits. So I think we should learn.
Exactly right, ma'am. Exactly right. So, like, I
Like
am
you have
like,
already told me that you are a, I think, coach in a school.
yes,
Okay. Then you have already seen that there is English environment. Most of the school are right now approaching English environment.
yeah, exactly right. Because of student, their parents are there are student of parents. They are no. They suppose that if I have children, so if I will send my children to any kind of schools, so I want to my children will learn something, according to like our environment, according to our like I will send like very expensive fees. So it will be good for my children. So that is the only reason schools, they, the principal, director, they want to hire like good, like educated
Yeah.
teachers, as well as should be in good environment of English language.
And they are observing their English speaking skill also. Are you
Yeah,
able to speak in English or not? If you are fluent speaker in English, then they easily hire you.
exactly right, ma'am. Exactly right. Yesterday, what happened, ma'am? Yesterday, what happened? Someone called me, and he they start to asking me, okay, I have one job for you. If you are to interest, if you have interest to do, so I will tell you. So I said to him, okay, which kind of job are you giving me? So he start to saying that, okay, I am providing job in his school, in his English medium school, as a sports coach. I need sports coach teacher. So I start to they she start to speaking with me in English. So I start to replied her. So she said me, okay, you are speaking very well. There is no any issue, and I will give you 18 to 20,000. Also, transportation will be free. So are you interested for do that? So I said to her, okay, I am interested, but right now I'm preparing for competitive exams, UP Police. So I don't have time. But if I will get chance today or tomorrow will be interview, so I will come to you know attend interview. So she said me, what is their qualification right now? So I said to her, okay, I am completed my graduation right now. I'm pursuing BPEd. It is the first year going on. So she said to me like, okay, it's not compulsory. BPEd is compulsory in my schools. So give me give me time, 1 or 2 days. I will going to ask of principal. Then I will call you later. So I said, okay, no problem. So the my answer is that everyone want to, like, if you have over command of English language, you will get a job very easy in anywhere.
Like you are right now preparing for constable exam. Am I right?
Yeah,
If you appointed on that post, after that, there are you meet so many persons. Some are very good in English, but if you know only just Hindi, I think that time you feel that, oh, I should learn English. So we can say right now in every career English is compulsory.
exactly right, ma'am. Exactly right.
You should learn.
That is the only reason, ma'am, to bring me here in this platform. I start to thinking, okay, if I am able to speak, so definitely I will get something
Yeah.
extraordinary because of people. I don't know which kind of response, which kind of priority people start to giving of English language.
Yes,
That
yes.
is the only reason to bring me here in this platform. I start to learning English language. I'm thinking that it is my, actually I have gone through it very worst situation. I started to learn English language. The reason that is only for, like, I hurted by someone. Actually, what happened? Once upon time, I went to out. Actually, I was in Bangalore that time. I went out to take something, some project of my sports. So one person was there. He start to speaking with me in English. That time I didn't know how to speak a single word of English language. So what happened? I went from out to buy something, some project of sports. So one person was there. He start to speaking with me in English. That time I didn't know how to speak a single a single word of English language. So I said to him, okay, sir, I don't know how to speak, sir. Please, try to make me Hindi. Try to make me understand in Hindi. So he said to me, okay, if you don't know English, why did you come here? No need to come here. Go from out. So that time I just, I felt very bad. Okay,
But I
I
think, that man was, this statement was totally wrong, because it is not compulsory that you don't know how to speak English, then you should not come in this state. I think it is totally wrong. Everybody can come.
yes, ma'am. So see, he said to me, okay, what are you doing here? What are you doing here? If you don't know how to speak, what are you doing here? Go from out. So I felt very bad. I just it's felt me like very bad by my heart. So I start to that time, no, that time I start to thinking, okay, if I will, if I am hurt by someone by English, if I am hurt by English language, you know, with someone, so definitely I should, I should learn English language anyhow. That is the only reason I start to learn English language. There's nothing reason of behind it, ma'am. So that is the only reason I started to learn English language. From that time to till now, it has been 8 or 9 months.
Yes. If you are practicing every day, if you are practicing every day, I think gradually you will be fluent in English.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So that is the only reason, ma'am. I'm thinking that, okay, before time I did know how to speak, but right now I know little bit how to express of myself very easily. And so sometimes I'm thinking, okay, something is better than nothing. What I have learned by my past, so
Mhm.
that is the very great to me, great to my future. So that is the only reason I start to doing practice. I do practice 30 or 40 minutes, sometime 1 hours, sometime 2 hours as well in a day, every day. So yeah, that is just I want to see as a myself good speaker in the future.
Yes, yes. If you are doing everyday practice and you are discussing so many topics also, after that, I
Mhm.
think you can become a fluent speaker. But it will take time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, you are right, ma'am. But ma'am, what happened? I get confused when I started to learn English language. I search on Google, I search on YouTube. I found lots of people they are saying lying. You will learn English language within a 1 month. You will learn English language within a 45 days. You will learn English language within a 2 month. They are
Uh,
lying. They are lying. It is not possible. I got to know when I came, when I started my English learning. I got to know, okay, this is not true.
you know,
This is not true.
I would tell you one thing. There is a famous YouTuber. He makes a very good conversation video. I always
Mhm.
hear his videos, and he's practicing 3 years. But right
Mhm.
now he is fluent speaker. So I can say it will take time. It is not 30-day game.
Mhm.
30-day, I will teach you in 30-day, I will teach you in 40 days. No. It is,
Mhm.
you can say, totally wrong information.
Exactly right, ma'am. But they are lying. They want
Yes.
to grow our viewers. You know.
Because you have already told me that you are learning this language, I think, since 9 months ago. Okay.
Exactly right. It is.
But right now you are feeling like you should more improvement also.
Definitely,
After
ma'am.
1 year, 2 year, then you will understand. Now I'm becoming fluent.
Yes, exactly right. What I think, this is the what I think because of I don't know. Yes, I know how to express of myself easy way. That is the only what I have learned by my within a 8 or 9 month. But
Yes.
if I want to become a good speaker, so it will take time because of learning
Yes.
skill. Learning time will not end. This is the very long process, ma'am. What I think.
And it is depend to person and
Exactly
your
right.
efforts. If you are doing so much effort, like you are reading, listening, speaking, writing, I think that time you can learn. I think 2 years. But if you have, uh, very few minutes, you can say half an hour, 1 hour, and you have no
Mm.
time for reading and writing skills, I think that time it will take more time.
Exactly right, ma'am. Exactly right. It's like it's a very long process. We cannot say like it's enough because of it's a very long process. Learning skill, learning time will not end. This is the very long process.
And
So
there is a very good thing, learning never ends.
yeah, learning time will not. Yeah, exactly right.
If anybody says that I have now learned, I think it's totally wrong. You are
Yes,
learning in every phase of your life. Sometimes you are learning from the kids also. They are using very
exactly
good
right.
words also.
Mm-hmm. Ma'am, what happened? What I know, as I said it, like what I have knowledge, as far as my knowledge, every 1 minute. you know, a new word editing in dictionary, how we should stop learning. Every 1 minutes, new word, editing in dictionary, how we should stop. We cannot say like it is the stop. It's a very long journey, ma'am. We cannot say like it's enough for me. No. No.
So I think today's session is very good session, I think. And now we should wrap up the session.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Before we are going to hang up the call, thanks a lot for accepting my request and talking to me as well. So definitely, if you will give me a chance in the future, so definitely we will connect soon. And till then, take care and have a nice day,
Okay,
ma'am. Thank you very
okay.
much.